What's up, guys? This is Booth Tuning here, and this is how to set ignition timing and sync it to your ECU on your Miata. Now, this will work with the 1.6 and 1.8 and most other cars that are on the same sort of system. Step one, pop your hood. And step two, you're going to find this blue connector here and the ground to hook up your timing light that you got from Harbor Freight. So next step, you're gonna pull this connector off. This is the auxiliary power on a Miata. Put that somewhere safe. And you're gonna hook your power to that guy. Nice and secure. And then for ground, anywhere that's solid metal, the best ground I like to use is the coilover bolt. It's always a good one. And then this, the air is gonna go towards the spark plug on your number 1 cylinder. Just gonna go over it like that. And then in your next part, you're gonna have the timing cover. This one is disgusting, but it will work. Next up, you're gonna start your car. This car timing is already synced, so nothing really to worry about here for me. Now you're gonna shoot your gun down, but before you do that, make sure it's set to 0. I have the timing from this particular setup set at 14 degrees of idle. That little tiny notch is right at 14. You had to adjust it. I'm going to show you what to change in Tuner Studio to make your cam angle sensor change without twisting it. If you're more old school, you can just twist your cam angle sensor and that will move. But how would you change it in the computer? And like I was saying, how to change it in the car, you can go to ignition settings, ignition options wheel decoder, and it's going to say ignition offset or trigger angle offset degree. This is how you sync your base timing. So basically, you put your car on fixed timing at whatever timing mark you have on your car. In this case, ours is 15. So we'd go 1.5, and then we'd change this number until the timing on the car matches this number. It's a very simple process. When I tune cars, I do this for my customers so they don't have to do it. Yeah. It's a very simple process. This has to be done when you tune a car. Has to be done. You cannot skip this. If you do, it can lead to catastrophic problems because you think you're commanding, let's say 15 degrees in boost. In actuality, you're commanding 20 or 30, and that leads to catastrophic engine failure. And no one wants that. It's not fun. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Like and subscribe. Let me tune your car. Let me get your turbo Miata running good so you can have fun with it and enjoy it and not be a sitting pile of nothing.